Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at this infrared control ROBOX geospace battling robots. There's two of them in there, and apparently you wear a glove to control them. I say apparently because this box is still factory sealed. It's never been opened. It's dated 2001. So let's find out what the deal is. Does the back come off? Does the top come off? I see tape all over the place. Is it a side opener? Sort of looks like it might be a top opener. Doesn't really want to lift. Let's see if it's an end flap opener. Might be an end flap opener. I might be getting somewhere. I'm going to run out of room here. The box is pretty deep. Let's see if we can get the contents to possibly slide out of the box. Without destroying the box. And that may be hard. Maybe we should look at the box first, just in case I destroy it. So we'll hold it steady and maybe you can read some of the stuff. Infrared control, geospace, punch with your power glove through the air. Watch your robot's fist fly. Sound and lights. 6 different robotic sounds and light up face shields. Robot dodges left and right to avoid punches. It's looking at some sort of button there. Stop. Robot's movement instantly. Forward. Backward. Knock out your opponent with five punches to his chest target. Oh, so one punch doesn't do it. You got to get 5 of them. Robot moves forward, backward, and spins. All right. Back to trying to get it out of the box without wrecking it. Maybe if I open this side, I could push as well as pull. So hang on there, everybody. More tape to cut. That cut. Which means there'll be tape on the bottom. Okay, we got that. Some sort of instruction booklet. Important tips. Again, even the instruction book's dated 2001. Functions, movement, stop. A full color brochure that basically repeats what was on the back of the box. Let's set that over there. Let's see if we can get some movement now. I'm not 100% sure what's binding. I'm sure it has something to do with the box design. Is that tape? Yeah, more tape in this corner. That should make things move a little bit easier. There we go. I'm going to go down to the floor with this. Now you know why some of these toys I don't open. I want to save the boxes and everything, and it's just too big of a hassle. Alright, we got it down to the inside cardboard tray. Needless to say, I'm just going to take one of these bad boys out. Well, I guess unless it doesn't work, then I'll end up taking 2 of them out. So, what's holding the glove in? I can see that there are heavy-duty twist ties. I mean, really heavy-duty twist ties. I think they were afraid that these snips are worn out. I need to bring out a better pair out here because I've got some new ones in the house. Okay, let's just put that down on top of the box. Then I won't lose it. Did that free the robot? No. There are more twist ties. Holy moly. They got twist ties all over the place. I don't think I've ever had dikes that, wire cutters that work worse than these. Doesn't really matter how hard you push. They've just lost their cutting edge. Alright. Let's see if this will help bring something out. Alright. 2 out. And 3. Look at those puppies. Those are big ones. Hey, we got one of them out. Got an on-off switch on the bottom, and of course the battery compartment. It's like the body can move. I'm guessing this wheel is motorized. This wheel catches in one direction, so going forward they both drive and then turning. There's a little speaker right there. Definitely a button there. Mechanically linked arms, so they must do a nice punching action. So I'll move that down a little. Now, what's holding the glove in? Wasn't visible from the bottom. Okay, hidden cable ties. See if I can maybe get them with a knife. Got one of them. Trying not to cut the box. Trying to cut only the cable tie. Alright. So much for that. Here's the glove. You can see there's a couple of push buttons there. Stop, dodge, and the forward and backward. That's where the infrared signal gets sent from. Alright, well, let's start loading some batteries into this thing. They all require AA batteries. This remote takes 2. Okay, get that. Put the cover on. Alright, the remote is loaded. I don't see an on-off switch in it, so just pushing the buttons must turn it on and off. And here we are getting into the bottom of the robot. The robot needs 4. 1, 2, 3. And what the heck, there's 4. And there's the battery cover screwed back on. Let's turn the robot on. It said something, I don't know what. Okay, dodge. Okay, so that's what makes the body move. Dodge. Now, I don't really want it driving off here. Oh, once you tell it to move, it keeps moving till you hit the stop button. Now, where was the punch at? I saw dodge. I saw stop. Forward. Is it the finger things? Or is that just to hide your fingers? I didn't see any punch. Did the punch happen when it was moving forward? Oh, it did stop after a little while. So when you hit it, it backs up. There's 2, 3, 4. So that would have been the 5th punch. I wonder if it's supposed to be punching while it jiggles back and forth. Those seem to be mechanically linked or something. Alright, don't make me break out the instructions. Wait a minute, there weren't any instructions. There was just the one booklet that restated what we read on the back. Instructions for play. Knock 'em out. TKO. Knock him onto his side. That didn't do anything. Realistic sound, forward, movement, punch. And score a hit if your opponent chest target. Right, but how do I punch? Dodge. There must be another button on here we're not seeing. I mean, there's stop. It's already stopped. Forward, backward, and dodge. No, you hit. You have to hit this in order to make it punch. Okay. Doesn't tell you that anywhere. You just have to know it. So it's just punching the air will do it. Now the punches don't really get thrown very far, it just moves the arm. So basically, in order to hit the other robot, you would have to drive into it. It'd have to be the inertia of you driving. I'll do a back up and stop, forward and stop. There we go. Now let's throw a punch. Punch that box. Okay, it works. Nothing broke there. Just trying to figure it out. And there's the other one, the red guy, is exactly the same setup. Well, that's kind of cool. And if you did have 2 people going at it, I think that might actually be a lot of fun. I don't know that you'd even really need the punch function so much as just steering and driving in to hit that button. Let's see if we can figure out some of the things it was saying. Let's see, on power up. Hold on, everybody. Let's turn it off. And when we turned it on, I get the speaker close to the camera. Yeah, I don't know what it said. Okay, camera's running out of battery power. We're going to have to call it good here.